This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR NET Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Animal physiology questions. Word 1. What best describes the chloride shift in red blood cells? Influx of chloride to balance the outflow of proton, efflux of chloride during oxygenation in the lungs, influx of chloride in tissues to maintain ionic balance, passive diffusion of chloride through aquaporins. Answer. Influx of chloride in tissues to maintain ionic balance. In tissues, HCO3 exits, RBCs and chloride enters to maintain charge neutrality. This is known as the chloride shift or hamburger phenomenon. 2. Which hormone is not synthesized from cholesterol? Cortisol, aldosterone, estrogen, insulin. Answer. Insulin. Insulin is a peptide hormone derived from preproinsulin and not from the cholesterol-based steroid pathway. 3. Which ion is essential for excitation-contraction coupling in skeletal muscle? Sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Answer. Calcium. Calcium released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum binds troponin C, initiating conformational changes that lead to muscle contraction. 4. What occurs during expiration in a normal resting human? External intercostals contract. Internal intercostals contract. Diaphragm contracts, diaphragm relaxes. Answer. Diaphragm relaxes. Passive expiration is driven by diaphragm relaxation, decreasing thoracic volume and pushing air out of the lungs.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
5. Which statement correctly describes the Bohr effect? Hemoglobin binds more oxygen at low pH. Hemoglobin releases more oxygen at low pH. Increase in CO2 reduces H+ concentration. Oxygen binding decreases with temperature. Answer. Hemoglobin releases more oxygen at low pH. Low pH and high CO2 reduce hemoglobin's affinity for O2, promoting oxygen delivery to tissues. 6. Which nephron part actively reabsorbs glucose? Descending limb of loop of Henle. Ascending limb of loop of Henle. Proximal convoluted tubule collecting duct. Answer. Proximal convoluted tubule, glucose is reabsorbed via sodium-glucose symporters in the proximal tubule to prevent glucose loss in urine. 7. Why is the refractory period important in cardiac muscle? Allows summation of contractions, prevents tetanic contractions, promotes constant depolarization, facilitates neurogenic rhythm. Answer. Prevents tetanic contractions. The prolonged refractory period ensures the heart muscle relaxes between beats, preventing sustained contraction. 8. Which hormone function pair is correctly matched? Gastrin inhibits gastric acid secretion. Secretin stimulates HCl release. Cholecystokinin stimulates gallbladder contraction. Somatostatin increases insulin secretion. Answer. Cholecystokinin stimulates gallbladder contraction. CCK is released in response to fats and stimulates gallbladder contraction and enzyme release from the pancreas. 9. What is the primary function of antidiuretic hormone, ADH? Inhibits water reabsorption in the kidneys, increases permeability of collecting ducts to water, stimulates sodium excretion, promotes aldosterone secretion. Answer. Increases permeability of collecting ducts to water. ADH acts on collecting ducts to insert aquaporins, enhancing water reabsorption and reducing urine volume.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launchpad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR NET Life Science together.